Did you know your body needs specific nutrients every single day just to survive? Without them, your brain slows down, your muscles weaken, your immune system struggles, and even your heart can suffer. But here's the surprising part. Millions of people are deficient in at least one essential nutrient without even realizing it. In this video, we'll explore the 8 essential nutrients your body needs, what they actually do inside your body, the warning signs of deficiency, and the best foods to get them naturally. By the end, you'll understand why these nutrients are critical for energy, focus, immunity, strength, and long-term health. Let's begin. Proteins are the building blocks of the human body. Every muscle, organ, enzyme, hormone, skin cell, and even parts of your immune system rely on protein to function properly. Your body constantly breaks down and rebuilds tissues. Protein is what allows repair and growth to happen. When you exercise, your muscles develop tiny tears. Protein helps rebuild them stronger, but protein isn't just for athletes. It's essential for hair growth, skin repair, hormone production, healthy organs, immune defense. Without enough protein, the body begins to struggle. Signs of protein deficiency may include weak muscles, constant hunger, hair loss, fatigue, slow healing, weak immune system. Some of the best protein sources include eggs, chicken fish, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils, tofu nuts. Interestingly, your body cannot store protein the same way it stores fat. That means you need protein regularly through your diet. And as we age, protein becomes even more important because muscle mass naturally decreases over time. For years, people believed all fats were unhealthy. But the truth is, your body absolutely needs healthy fats to survive. Fats are one of the body's main energy sources. They also protect organs, support brain function, help absorb vitamins, and maintain healthy cells. In fact, the human brain is nearly 60% fat. Healthy fats help improve brain performance, support hormones, protect the heart, reduce inflammation, keep skin healthy, but not all fats are equal. Healthy fats include avocados, olive oil nuts, seeds, salmon sardines. Meanwhile, excessive trans fats and highly processed oils may increase the risk of heart disease and inflammation. If your body lacks healthy fats, you may experience dry skin, brain fog, mood changes, low energy, hormonal imbalance. Omega-3 fatty acids are especially important because they support both the brain and the heart. Many people consume too many unhealthy fats and not enough healthy ones. The key is balance. Vitamins are tiny compounds with enormous importance. Your body needs them for hundreds of biological processes every day. There are 13 essential vitamins, each with different roles. For example, vitamin A supports vision and immunity. Vitamin C helps repair tissues and strengthens the immune system. Vitamin D supports bones and helps the body absorb calcium. Vitamin B12 helps produce red blood cells and maintain healthy nerves. Without enough vitamins, the body begins to malfunction. Vitamin deficiencies can lead to fatigue, weak immunity, poor vision, bone problems, skin issues, nerve damage. One of the most common deficiencies worldwide is vitamin D deficiency, partly because many people spend less time in sunlight. Good vitamin sources include fruits, vegetables, eggs, dairy fish. Whole grains, different colored foods often provide different vitamins, which is why a colorful diet is usually healthier. Your body depends on vitamins every single day, even in small amounts. Minerals are nutrients that help control essential body functions. Unlike vitamins, minerals are inorganic elements that come from soil and water, entering the body through food. Some of the most important minerals include calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth. Iron carries oxygen through the blood. Potassium supports muscles and heart rhythm. Magnesium helps nerves and muscles function properly. Zinc supports the immune system and wound healing. A mineral deficiency can cause serious problems. Low iron may lead to anemia and extreme fatigue. Low calcium may weaken bones. Low potassium can affect the heart and muscles. Foods rich in minerals include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, dairy meat, bananas, beans. Even though minerals are needed in small amounts, life without them would be impossible. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred energy source. When you eat carbs, your body converts them into glucose, which fuels cells throughout the body. Your brain especially depends on glucose for energy. Healthy carbohydrates help maintain energy, support brain function, improve exercise performance, prevent fatigue. But not all carbohydrates are the same. Complex carbohydrates digest slowly and provide steady energy. These include oats, brown rice, vegetables, beans, whole grains. Simple carbohydrates, especially highly processed sugar, can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Too much processed sugar has been linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease. Some people think carbs are dangerous, but the real issue is often the type and amount consumed. Your body needs carbohydrates, just smarter ones. Water may be the most important nutrient of all. A human can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. The body is made of roughly 60% water. Water is involved in nearly every major process: regulating temperature, transporting nutrients, lubricating joints, removing waste, supporting the brain. Even mild dehydration can affect focus, memory, energy, mood. Common signs of dehydration include headaches, dizziness, dry mouth, fatigue, dark urine. Many people wait until they feel thirsty, but thirst often means dehydration has already started. Water needs vary depending on activity level, climate, body size. Diet foods like fruits and vegetables also contain water and contribute to hydration. Your body depends on water every second of every day. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate the body cannot fully digest, and that's actually a good thing. Fiber helps move waste through the digestive system and supports gut health. There are two main types: soluble fiber, insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. Insoluble fiber helps digestion and prevents constipation. Fiber also feeds beneficial bacteria in the gut. Scientists now know that gut bacteria influence immunity, digestion, mood, brain health. A low-fiber diet may increase the risk of constipation, obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes. High-fiber foods include fruits, vegetables, beans, oats, seeds, whole grains. Despite its importance, many people consume far less fiber than recommended. Fiber may not seem exciting, but it plays a huge role in long-term health. Every day, your body produces unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules can damage cells through a process called oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress may contribute to aging, heart disease, cancer, brain disorders. This is where antioxidants become important. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. Some well-known antioxidants include vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene. Selenium foods rich in antioxidants often have bright colors. Examples include blueberries, strawberries, spinach, tomatoes, dark chocolate, green tea. Scientists believe antioxidant-rich diets may help reduce inflammation and support healthy aging. While antioxidants are powerful, balance is important. Extremely high supplement doses are not always beneficial. The best source is usually whole foods. Your body is like a complex machine that depends on the right nutrients to function properly. Proteins build and repair. Fats protect and fuel. Vitamins and minerals control critical processes. Carbohydrates provide energy. Water keeps everything running. Fiber supports digestion. And antioxidants help defend your cells from damage. No single nutrient can do everything alone. Health depends on balance. The foods you eat today directly affect how your body performs tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Naturyxon for more fascinating science and health content. And comment below, Which nutrient do you think people ignore the most? Thanks for watching.